Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today with 2012 Holden Cruze, stock number 7304. It's ran from the 3rd 2009 to the 2nd 2013. It's an F18D4 1.8 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is the F18D4 1.8 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left hand door mirror, left front door 1 dent, left rear 6-inch steel wheel with tyre, left hand tail light, rear boot lip no dents, right hand tail light, right rear 6-inch steel wheel with tyre, right rear right front door no dents, right hand door mirror, right front guard, right front 6-inch steel wheel with tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, center console, automatic gear shifter, heated AC controls, factory single stack stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, instrument cluster,